Welcome to this video, and in this video we are going to talk about how to utilize Sysbox along with Docker to run systemd workloads. So basically we will be testing out running Docker within this container. So as you can see, I have already created one Docker file for you guys, and this will be using Ubuntu 22.04 version. So, and by the way, on the host machine I am using the focal one, Ubuntu 20.04. So in the Docker file, as you can see, we have certain prerequisites to run systemd, and those packages are already laid out within the Docker file, as you might see, like systemd and the following three packages, right? And I have also enabled the SSH service, and finally using the entry point as sbin init to spin up every services using systemd. So without further ado, let's just build the image and we will see what we get. So right now I think systemd test something should do for now. Okay, so right now, yeah, it did build up like pretty quick, but in your case it might take several minutes. It's because I already ran that command, and so the build cache was already there, right? And that's why it took so little time for me. So now the image is built up. Like let us do the run command. So in this case I have put out some random values. For example, for the name of the container I have put systemd test, and for the host name it's container host. You can do it any way you want. It's just a variable and it can be set up to any value. Right now I have created the container and it's already running. Let's just go into it, and as you might see, yeah, this seems to be 22.04 as it should be. And let's check for the service of SSH, and yeah, so without a doubt it's running, and this is within a container, and we have not specified any privilege flag for now. So this is one of our good stuff. So other than that, so what's better than testing out installing something like Docker within that container, right? So let's do it. And in the documentation page you will see on the host machine we had the focal version, but on the container we have Jammy. So let's get right into it. The instructions are same, so let's just copy and paste this stuff. Okay, so this might take a minute or two, so I will just fast forward this, and the steps are pretty much the same that we did in previous videos, so it's not a big deal. Now it's done, and let's test it out using the hello world command. Looks like a service is not running for Docker. Let's check the status for now. Yes, it's loaded, but it's in inactive state. Let's start it. Wait for a while. Okay, now let's check again. Okay, so this looks good. A Docker service is running. Again, running the docker run hello world command. Let's see what happens. And as we guessed, it is pulling the image and it ran it without any issues. So this is one of the things that we needed to check. Let's check with some other basic commands, images and running containers. Also let's check for the system information, and as we can see, the default runtime is 1Z, the version is 24.07. okay, and everything looks to be good. So we can just go right back at the documentation at the very bottom. Yeah, so there are other stuff also, post installation step and other key commands similar to that. So we can ignore this, as this is only meant for very basic introduction how we can install Docker within a container, right? So So especially this was it for this video, and in case you might want to see other use cases for the Sysbox plus Docker, let me know. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day.